Hello my loves, hello my sweeties, ninjani. I hope everybody's doing good. I hate starting my vlogs in a car, but we're here now. I just randomly thought of picking up my phone and starting a vlog. So yeah, I am back guys, full time. Really full time. And can we also take a moment for my hair? I'm obsessed with my hair guys. My hair was such in a bad state the past few weeks because I was really not good on it, but then Oshia Plus guys, it keeps amazing me. I forget how good this product is. I'm going to insert a clip if I find it of how my hair was before I did my treatment, but go look at us. Anyway, I'm off to the salon to do my hair today, and I also have a girlfriend date with Zizzy. I don't know if she's still gonna come because the weather is, that's the weather. So I don't know if it's still going to happen or not. Oh, today is a Saturday, né? So I'm probably gonna end this video tomorrow, which is Sunday. So we're gonna have a mini weekend vlog. My hair is done. I also did my nails.
I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
Okay, no, I have to remove these things, gag. I'm removing them.
Set me free.
This thing when I decide to stay with me, 'cause I'm dangerous in love with you. I believe. Because in weather, iyavuma.
That's the way the permits.
Sizya ugeme.
Cambridge.
Uthambile, uthambile friends. Uthambe kamnandi. Taste it. I want you to taste it. It smells kageme sisodwa nje. Can send ukodi healing. Utsamaye ngwanaka. Utso utsamaye uye wo hit the healing. Nothing wouldn't do. 'Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need clothes, girl, you're my all. I go empty Sundays. We are literally the only people. Click faces. It is so empty and it's on a Saturday. I don't understand. With you. Ready for your power. Now we're sitting time, Father. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh, finally, kwafika abantu. Oh, Sanda copyright. My face so dry. Here.
That's
Vaseline.
Before you go, Carlo, just put it on.
Hi my loves. Today is Tuesday. I know it's many days later since I picked up the camera. I'm in love with the hair, but by the way, the color of your hair. I'm so in love with my hair. Hi Bo. Okay, the light is okay. It's Tuesday today. We are taking our children to the beach. We're taking the school kids, foundation phase, the very young ones, grade 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, so it's beach day. I'm wearing a sweater because it's not really warm, but during the day it's gonna get warmer. So yeah, let's go, and we are going to the same beach that we always go to, so there won't be anything new about this. The route and everything, we are going to hole in the wall. Me too. Yes. Bam. Divided the kids amongst us. I have my 26. The kids in total are like 80 something. I think I took too many because others are taking just 10. I have 26 with me. So we are walking across the mall. Sano Kauleza, you don't have to rush yourselves. Nippy up, goopy up. I wanna see who knows. Goopy up. Eta, goopy up. Goopy up. Busangeps, abanye bayazi, basambeni. Go.